In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade on TradingView. So you want to open up the super charts, and I'll just quickly show you how you can do it within a few minutes. So once you're in here, you want to drag on this gray run here, pull it up a little bit and click on trading panel. Inside of here, you want to connect your broker, and if you don't see it here, just click on all brokers and find it. Now you can also open a demo account just like this, and now you'll have 100,000 fake money to use. Then what you want to do is come up here and select whichever one you want to trade. Now you can filter by stocks, funds, futures, forex, and everything like this. But you can also search for a specific one. So in this case, let's just do Apple. Then simply click on Apple, and you can click buy or sell to open up the order right here on the side. Then now you can see I'm on a buy order, and this will be a sell order. So buy order means when price goes up, we make money. Sell order means when price goes down, we make money. So let's just make a buy order in this one. So you can choose between a market and limit and stop. I usually only use these two, but most of the time a limit one. But for a market order, it just means that you buy it at the price that it's currently at. Now a limit order means that you're gonna buy it at a specific price that you can choose. So in this case, we can see price is at 201.36. So let's say we want to buy the price at 204 right here, right? So we just want to type in 204. This means at 204, once the price reaches 204 right here, so once it's $3 more, the buy order will start. Okay, so as long as price is under this, we have not bought anything yet. Then you can make a take profit and a stop loss. And on TradingView, you can do like this and choose where you want it to be, or you can type it in down here. Now, as you can see here, for this trade, this basically means that at 204, once the price reaches 204, and it's currently at 201, once it reaches 204, it's gonna make our buy order. And once it is here, if it hits 224, we're gonna take the profit. And if it reaches 188.55, we're gonna cancel the order, and this is how much we're gonna gain or how much we're gonna lose. So this is basically how you can do this, guys. Obviously, if you make a sell order, it's gonna be the other way around. So you would have your take profit down here, and you would have your stop loss up here because you're expecting the price to go down. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.